So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to expand display adapters. Then you want to find your graphics card. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. I'm also going to be leaving down below 3 links for Nvidia, AMD and Intel. You want to download the software that comes with your graphics card. For me, I have an Nvidia graphics card, so I've got the Nvidia app. And then once you're on our software, you want to click on the driver tab. Then you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your graphics card drivers are fully up to date for your software. This should now fix your problem. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you want to copy and paste the first command only for now. That will be down below in the description. The one that says on at the end. So you want to copy and paste this. So you want to do Control C. And then come to CMD and then do Control V, which will now paste it. And then click on enter. Ignore this error on my screen, but in your case it should work. Now you just want to install your driver or just do whatever you wanted to do. And then this should now fix your problem. And then once you install your driver or you do whatever you wanted to do, then you're going to turn this off. So now you want to go to the second command. So now turn this off. Do Control V on your keyboard to paste it and then click on enter. Again, ignore this error on my screen, but it should now be turned off. And now your problem should be fixed. Again, after you turn this on, you then want to install your driver for the monitor. And then after you install your driver, you then want to turn this off.